Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to dive into the exciting world of banking in Australia for international students. I know it might seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry because I have been through it too and I'm here to make this process as smooth as possible for you. As an international student in Australia with your very own Aussie bank account, managing your finances and saving up for your dreams sounds awesome, right? Well, together we are going to make this happen. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about your bank options down under. When I first arrived, I was just as lost as you might be, but luckily I had some family here to guide me. As an international student, having a bank account is like having a key to financial freedom. It's where you keep your money safe and make everyday transactions more convenient. Now, most Australian banks offer something called a student account. It's like a regular account, but it comes with some fantastic perks. For example, you wouldn't have to pay any fee for depositing cash or using ATMs. How cool is that? But hold on, before you rush off to the bank, let's make sure you have got all the necessary documents lined up. You will typically need your passport, your student visa, proof of enrollment at the university or college, which is called COE, and a postal address in Australia. But here's the thing, each bank might have its own specific requirements. You can always visit their website or visit a branch to understand their specific requirements in advance. Alright, with your documents in hand, it's time to choose the bank that's perfect for you. Look for banks that cater specifically for international students. Think low or no monthly fees, online banking options, and plenty of ATMs nearby. Bonus point, if there is a branch close to your uni or college. A lot of university will also have stalls of popular banks during orientation week, along with banks they might be collaborating with to give you discounts and perks. You can even start the process online up to 3 months before you land in Australia. Just fill out the application form and deposit some cash once you have got your new account information. When you arrive, swing by your local branch to confirm your identity and access your funds. As an international student in Australia, you have several bank options to choose from. Some of the popular banks, also called Big Four, include Commonwealth Bank, ANZ, Westpac, and NAB. Each one offers different features and benefits, so it's worth doing a bit of research to find the one that suits you the best. You can visit their websites or have a chat with a friendly bank representative for more information. I would recommend opening 2 accounts, one for your daily transactions and one for incoming transfer of funds, and one exclusively for savings. Oh, and here's a little secret. There's another bank called ING Bank. They offer competitive interest rates, no account keeping fees, and a super handy mobile app for all your banking needs. I only discovered them a few years ago and they have been fantastic. Once you are all set up, you will receive your debit card and gain access to online banking. This allows you to manage your account and make transactions conveniently. Now let's talk about savings. Most banks offer special savings accounts just for students. These accounts come with attractive interest rate and extra perks. They are your ticket to managing your money wisely, earning a little extra, and saving up for your travel or further studies. And congratulations, you are ready to take control of your finances as an international student and open a bank account in Australia. Enjoy all the perks your bank has to offer and start saving up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful content. If you have any questions or need more help, just drop a comment below and I will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching. And